Hello, good morning. I'm Charles Liel Dionson, your instructor for today. I'm from BPED 21. So today, I'm gonna teach you some basic fundamentals or basic exercise for basketball. This exercise is for body conditioning and for you to improve your body to be ready in basketball. So before we start, I would like to I would like to introduce myself. My name is Charles Johnson from BPED 21. And today, we're gonna do some exercises. The first exercise we're gonna do is warm-ups, the activation drills, and the cool downs. Hello. So the first activation drills is some laterals. This exercise is improve your speed, agility, and your reaction time because if you do this training, you're gonna be focused and you're gonna remove your heavy feet. So let's start. First move is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Isa pa. Right foot, left foot, then right foot, left foot. Then repeat. So you're gonna do this like that. Dapat, tsaka always remember that you need to do this in this position like this. Not like this. Kasi you're not gonna improve if you're gonna do that like this. Kailangan naka full sprint ka. Squat your legs, bend your knees, then isa pa, mabilis. Yan, bali. Gagawin mo siya ng 5 sets. So, ang second exercise natin is the laterals. The laterals is the basic move na you move sideward using your body, whole body. This promotes the defensive skills. Can make you defensive kasi when you do this move, you can use this in playing basketball because in defense, you're gonna wide your arms, then move your body. So let's start na. The first move is you're gonna squat your legs, bend your knees, open your hands like this, then right foot, left foot, right foot, left foot, then repeat. Ulitin natin ulit right foot, left foot, right foot, ganyan. Yan, paulit-ulit. So, avoid nyo po yung nakatayo lang kayo ng ganyan. Tapos, straight body. Mali po yan, kailangan nakaganto kayo. Squat. Kailangan na parallel yung shoulders nyo and knees nyo. Like this. So, our third exercise is this. You're gonna bend your knees. Bend your knees. Avoid the knees going like this. Kailangan na agento yung knees mo, pagbaba mo. Kailangan letter L siya. Then up. Up. Other leg naman. Up. Down. Up. Down. Kailangan nyo gawin siya ng 5 per leg. Kung mas gusto nyo ng advance, kailangan nyo may dala-dala kayong weights. Ganyan. Kabila. Down. Ang susunod naman natin yung exercise is katulad lang siya ng ganun pero mas advance. Down. Switch. Down. Switch. 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 Avoid nyo rin yung katulad na sinabi ko kanina na yung knees mo paharap kasi pwede siya mag-cause ng injury sa inyong tuhod. Kaya kailangan palakad siya sa ganyan. Kabila. Kung gusto nyo mas advance, dagdagan nyo na ng konting weights. Yan. Ang susunod naman nating exercise is basic lamang. Alam naman to ng lahat. Then, this is the push-up. So, first we need to go down. Go down. Then, kailangan yung itong hands nyo nasa may bandang dito sa may breast nyo. After that, yung paa nyo kailangan nakatapok na siya sa ground. Then, push your body upward. 1, 2, 3. Then, kailangan nyo ng 10 reps lang. Then, ang a-avoid nyo sa ganitong exercise is yung butt nyo na nakaangat ng ganyan. Avoid nyo po yan. Tapos, ang next nyo po, ang need to understand is, yung inyong siko, kailangan hindi siya outside. Kailangan pa-backward siya. Just like this. Yan. So, ang next exercise natin is ito. First, upo ka sa any surface like this. Then, hahawa mo siya ng ganyan. Abante ka. Ganito. 1, 2, 3. Yan. Gagawa niya ng 10 reps lamang. Tapos, yan. So, sunod naman natin is cool down. Cool down is including the basics. So, first, wiggle your hands. Hold your hands. Arms. Then, yan. Kailangan nyo lang i-relax yung lahat ng inyong body. Then, forward. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So, today, yun lamang ang ating mga basics. Ang basic natin ng mga tutorial for today. Ang ginawa natin is for activation of your body. So, ginawa natin yun para ma-activate ang ating legs, hips, arms, and your whole body. So, we need to understand that we need to exercise every day, train yourself every day, and to improve more. So today, we can't train outside because it's raining. So, yun din ang pwede natin gawin kapag kunyari wala tayong magawa, may extra time tayo, pwede natin siya gawin anywhere, anytime, anywhere. So, basically, that is the basics only. So, in the next videos, I'm gonna show you the step by steps, then the other parts of the practices. So, I'm gonna include some videos here of our trainings, and I'm gonna show you what we are doing in our trainings. So, check nyo na lang ang ating video. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Stories. Most of my boys are with me, some are still out seeking glory, and some I had to leave behind. My brother, I'm still savvy, soon I'll be 60 years old. My daddy got 61. Remember life and then your life becomes a better one. I made a man so happy when I wrote a letter once. I hope my children come and visit once or twice a month. Soon I'll